Byzantium, Constantinople, Istanbul. The name of Turkey's largest city may have changed over the centuries, but its importance hasn't. This is a vibrant metropolis, the beating heart of the local economy, and its arteries are filled with thousands and thousands of cars. Those cars are serviced by the many hundreds of service stations BP has across Turkey. And BP itself is serviced by Atlas Copco.
BP has been active in Turkey for 90 years, and we serve our customers at 600 service stations. In addition to that, our products include lube oil, LPG, and we're also active in aviation.
The BP service stations need air, and lots of it. But the existing installations didn't always live up to BP's high standards for safety and performance.
We conducted a risk evaluation on our stations because the safety and the security of our operations are very important to us. Therefore, we aim to control the risks. From this investigation, we learned that more than half of the compressors in our network were over 10 years old.
These older compressors were not without safety risks. Corrosion, thinning of the hull cap, even explosions were a possibility. Rather than renovate the old installations, BP decided to replace them. With what? With Atlas Copco L-range piston compressors. A first order was placed for almost 300 compressors to be installed by a local distributor. BP's logo is green, and so is its thinking. Projects such as this newly planted forest, which BP financed, reflect their dedication to the environment. That concern for the environment and for safety played an important role in their choice of Atlas Copco.
Atlas Copco wants to produce environmentally friendly products. The L range of piston compressors is a prime example of this. Less need for maintenance, shorter maintenance terms, less equipment used for the maintenance, and less use of oil. Those are some of the most significant properties of these compressors that make them environmentally friendly. In addition, they consume less electricity, and the air efficiency is far better than in similar compressors.
Compressed air is used to fill tires and for LPG installations. In addition, washing machines and many workshop power tools, such as wrenches and air drills, sanders and blowguns, require compressed air.
When we started the meetings with BP, we made a presentation at their main office. We actually took compressors to the office, and we explained the use of those compressors to them. Next, we asked them to choose one of their stations as the pilot station, and we installed a compressor there.
Atlas Copco is committed to their customers' superior productivity, and the L-range piston compressors honor that principle. Maintenance is straightforward, as all components and service points are easily accessible. Therefore, operational costs are limited and breakdowns are virtually eliminated, guaranteeing the continuity of production.
One of the other reasons that we suggested the LE compressors, and BP liked this, was that these compressors have a direct coupled engine. Compared to our competitors who don't work with V-belt pulleys, this increases the efficiency of the compressor, and it also makes the installation safer. That's why it's fair to say that our compressors are more advanced compared to other makes.
In a city, as in business, good connections are of prime importance. In Istanbul, the Bosphorus Bridge connects two continents, Europe and Asia. This suspension bridge is a vital connection between both parts of the city. The Atlas Copco AirNet piping system serves exactly the same purpose. It is the vital connection that transports the compressed air around the workplace, and it is yet another reason BP wholeheartedly chooses Atlas Copco.
başka bir marka kullanmıyoruz.
All our new BP stations are now immediately equipped with Atlas Copco. We don't use any other brand anymore. This new project is now running step by step.
İlerliyor.
The L-range piston compressors, a prime example of how Atlas Copco bridges the gap between economy and ecology.